Evening guys, welcome back to Weremouse Workshop. It's been a while, apologies for that. I've just been busy with Christmas, New Year and illnesses in the family. We'll get straight into it tonight. Tonight I'm going to be scrapping out an old the Phillips BT cellnet phone. This is the first phone, I believe it's the first phone I ever had. It'll be a quick one tonight. Not a lot to take out of these, but it'd be interesting to have a look inside, see what we've got. Okay, catch you in a minute. Right, so I've done the boring part first pretty quickly. Took the screws out of the back. Just get the aerial out. Battery pack. To recycling. SIM card was already taken out. That's gone into a pot ready for gold recovery on that one. And there we go. So gold flashing on here. I'll get to that in a minute. Recycle that. And potentially these little bits here have got a gold coating, could just be brass. Put them in the pot anyway, then plastic will go to recycling. This lot, let's have a look. Tiny bit of brass, I don't know if you can see it in there. Now then, how do we separate all this lot? Let's see, there's a big gold flashing on that one. The gold flashing continues on this side, all the way under this, so let's get this off. For those of you wondering about how the foundry work's going, it's come to a bit of a standstill at the moment because I can't get the mortar to go off properly. The workshop at the moment is a bit too cold and damp, but I have found a place where I can put it where it's a bit drier, so it should go off. So we'll be continuing a lot more on that in springtime as the weather picks up, or if I can get there sooner with this new bit of storage area, I'll get it dried off and done quickly, or a bit sooner. It's just I'm itching to get on with it because I've got a lot of stuff to go through it now from donations and things I've collected myself. These little pins here, if you can see, where are we? And two little pins there. They look as though they're gold plated. So I'll do get them off there. Should just be able to pull them out now. There. They'll go in the gold processing pot for later. Same as that bit there. All a bit fiddly. And that piece has just disappeared. Brilliant. Oh well, I'll find it at a later date. It's plastic, isn't it? Yep. Plastic recycling. Yeah, so what I was saying, yeah, the gold flashing goes all the way through. And what I'm going to do, there's another one, I've got another one of these. That one as well, you see that there? Now all these, there's a tantalum there, I'll definitely get that off. But all these will be stripped off, just put a heat gun on the back of it and get all those off. So we've got a clean board. And then I shall drop them into a bit of, hopefully into a bit of caustic soda, and it'll strip off. There we go, look. That's quite good, that. Recycling. Yeah, strip all these off with the heat gun, and then drop them into caustic soda, and hopefully it should lift all the green off. And then we'll be able to see whether the whole board is flashed in gold or it is literally just these parts that are showing. And then after that we'll either break it up or just leave it in a bath of muriatic acid, hydrochloric acid with a bit of peroxide, and see if we can lift it off. Probably recycle these as well, put these in the pot with all the other chips. The tantalums will come off, they'll go in their own separate pot. A few gold pins in the bottom there, gold fingers. Yeah, and that's that really. That's plastic, so that's recycling. Put these in the pot, ready to go. Did thin my pot out a bit. I've taken all the components out, the other components, the boards and the fingers, and I've just left with pins. So there's about 425 grams in there. Might look a lot, but there's, you'll get less than a gram probably out of that. Like I said before on previous videos, it's just an experiment, see what we can get. Yeah, so that's that really. Just a couple of other things while I've been while I'm on. That'll go in that pot. All this that is, I don't know if you can see it, I've got stuff to the side. That was an old laptop. I'm still editing that video and I'm struggling at the moment to get it out. That should have been out before this one. This again is the same. There's a gold chip in there and a gold flashed protector over the top of it with copper. So I'm going to try and edit that video over the coming weeks, well, a couple of weeks, and get that out to you. These chips will come off. Those will go into processing as well. And there's a couple other little bits there. See that? Some gold pins in there. Same on the other side. Gold pins on there. So yeah, the video was 45 minutes long, and I'm trying to edit it down. I'm not very good at editing at the moment, so we'll see when that one comes out. But as for the phone, yeah, pretty pleased with that. That's another one for the stockpile, along with that one, and along with that one. All very different in their own little way. Same components. Right, that's all for this video. Cheers for watching, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, keep in contact with the foundry work, give us a subscribe. I'll catch you later.